This year's conference is really exciting because we're really kind of bridging the gap between academia and industry. So in the past, our conferences have been focused mostly on academic research, but this year we have people coming from not just academia, but industry and other research organizations. So we'll see a lot of new topics that a lot of our institute members haven't really been exposed to. So everything from vaccine development, manufacturing, career development, and also vaccine policy. So the Nanovaccine Institute tour will really highlight the interdisciplinary nature of our facilities here. Participants will see our core laboratories, which range from engineering, materials characterization, all the way through immunobiology and even animal facilities. You'll see a lot of unique pieces of equipment, such as an nano imager or plethysmograph, and we're always welcoming our collaborators to come in and use those pieces of equipment. So you'll be able to see what kind of opportunities we can provide for your research. And then finally, the last thing will be an actual live demonstration of spray drying. So that will follow up on some of the exciting topics that we discussed earlier in the workshop.